Hello, Zedifed, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to solve substring fun in Codewars, which is a 7 task. So once you've read the instruction, here's how to do it. So you want to first make a length of the words, because this will have to be an iterative thing, which means a for loop would have to be used. So making a variable called length and putting words inside of it. Then you want to have an empty string. This empty string would serve as this output. So you could do string equals, you can do this or you can do that, both of them work just fine. And now for the for loop, so for I in range of the length of the word, so length, you want to add on to the string whatever the first bit is. So if I was on 0, it will go to the very first bit and it will output y, then it'll be 1, so it will go to the 1 of the next string and so on. And seeing as the conditions for this isn't like, oh, this word only has 2 so it can't work, it's not like that, so you don't need to put any conditional statements in. So it will just be the string plus the whatever it was over here, so that'll be words and then you just output it. Return string. And why does it not work? Okay, what? Hold on. Okay, for some reason this happens, but just so you know, I did this before. I recorded a video, it does work. I used a different variable name, but everything is still the same, it does work. Anyway, I hope this helped. And if you enjoyed the video, I have other videos on Codewars Python. And so yeah, if you're interested, check it out. Other than that, I'll see you in the next one.